First, the top headlines. Cyclone Biparjoy weakens and enters Rajasthan after landfall in Gujarat's coastal areas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi should save Manipur first, says Supriya Srinath. Hello, welcome to ELITETV, your English news bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Now the news in detail. Cyclone Biparjoy, which made landfall in Gujarat's coastal areas, has now weakened into a deep depression and is expected to weaken further into a depression in the next 12 hours, India Meteorological Department IMD has said. As per IMD, the cyclonic storm weakened into a deep depression at 11:30 p.m. on Friday over southeast Pakistan. Cyclone Biparjoy has entered Rajasthan as a deep depression. Due to its effect, heavy rains accompanied by strong winds are occurring in many districts of the state. Rainfall with strong winds continues in Barmer, Jodhpur, Sirohi, Jalore, Pali and Jaisalmer districts of the state. Apart from this, many other districts including Bikaner, Churu, Sikar, Nagaur and Junjunu are also receiving light to moderate rains. The Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for extremely heavy rainfall with strong winds in Pali, Barmer, Sirohi and Jalore districts today, June 17. Apart from this, an orange alert has been issued for Jodhpur, Nagaur, Udaipur, Rasamad, Bilwala and Ajmer districts. There are chances of rain with strong winds in some other districts as well. IMD has asked for a total suspension of fishing operations over the northeast and adjoining east central Armenian Sea. It urged for judicious regulations of offshore and onshore activities. Meanwhile, Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel yesterday held a high-level meeting in the State Emergency Operations Center to review the situation in the affected districts. Commissioner of Relief Alok Pandey said that under the guidance of the Chief Minister and coordination between concerned departments, the state was braced for facing the cyclonic effects and has not reported any casualties till now. As part of its strategic and advanced planning, Gujarat government relocated more than 1 lakh citizens to safer places. We say that this is one of the largest evacuations in Gujarat's history and saved thousands of lives after facing a natural calamity for almost 5 days. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar will confer upon the 4th National Water Awards in New Delhi today, June 17. The Jal Shakti Ministry has announced a total of 41 winners covering 11 categories, including joint winners for 4th National Water Awards 2022. Each award winner will be conferred with a citation and a trophy as well as cash prizes. Madhya Pradesh will be awarded the first prize in the Best State category. In the Best District category, the award will be given to Ganjam district of Odisha. The Best Village Panchayat award will be presented to Jagannathpuram Village Panchayat, Bahadari Kothugadem district of Telangana. As part of the ongoing nationwide drive to realize the government's vision of a water prosperous India, the award focuses on encouraging the good work and efforts made by various individuals and organizations. It seeks to create awareness among peoples about the importance of water and motivate them to adopt best water use practices. Reacting to fresh violence in Manipur, Congress spokesperson Supriya Srinath said that the situation in the state is worsening and that BJP doesn't seem to care about it. She further said that PM Modi should save Manipur first, then he should talk about Akhand Bharat. She added, over 40 days have passed, 103 people died and 60,000 are displaced. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy ki lakadori session 2023-24 ke admission hauzare. Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized tauraba amati 5-year service complete oiraba Manipur da amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani. Class 12 pass tauraba mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningba singna ming chanbiba yaragani. Male and female punna apply tauba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100 plus students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course sing khudong chaba leijari. Course sing adudi international air hostess training, airport operation staff training, ground handling loina soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amati airport visits. Institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amati atopa state sing dasu khudong chaba pizari. Khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225.
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achungba sinfam ama khangjanabagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semduna angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chanaba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oiraknaba hona duna ngasi fawbalak Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu ipurgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna satra khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi khwaidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba sem sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambel amada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Admission open Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur laiba CBS da affiliate toba khwaidagi phaba school singi manungda ama oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur ki Kumsi Sahigi Class 9 gi akaknaba sit khara amasung Class 11 Science Arts ani asigi ming janba hujare School ase yamna mayon chumna fagalakliba National Thaki awardee kaya puthokliba makal makha kaya gi state and national level competition da gold medalist amadi prize winner puthokliba school ni leibaki awabada saruk yaba oina Class 9 gi de admission fee amasung tuition fee lodana lemna ming chanjagani Class 11 gi oina AISSE 2023 amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi mathak phangba angang singi damak admission tuition fee lodabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani smart class ka loinana angang singna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani khangdriba fawba takpigani leibaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani Class 11 gi admission fee lupa lising manga loinana prospectus lupa chani punna lupa lising manga chani khaktani akupa moral gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna First Division da pass tauba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhayamadi Kongbagi Class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare ahan by admission tauba satra chamada textbook lemna phanghangani loinana admission fees lupa lishing taruk oigani bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facility su leigani akupa marol gidamak Royal Academy of Science ki Wangkhay office da lakpiu.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV English News. National People's Party NPP cautioned the party will be compelled to review whether to go along with the present state government if it fails to bring back normalcy at the earliest. National Vice President Y. Joy Kumar to the state media at the state party office located at Oripok Naramthong yesterday. He further said NPP has already declared its stance for the party will not compromise on territorial integrity of Manipur at any cost. The party had already submitted a memorandum to the Union Home Minister regarding the present crisis in Manipur and urged to bring back normalcy at the earliest, he added. He also said, as per reports, some Kuki militants under a suspension of operations are involved in the crisis. When the Sioux agreement was signed with the central government, it was mentioned that if the militants under Sioux agreement violate the ground rules, then the state and the central forces will take stringent action against them, he said. Over 40 Indian origin medics, business leaders and community champions are among those on UK King Charles' first birthday honours list. Those on the list include Dr. Paranveer Kaur Ale, Professor Prokar Dasgupta, Anuj Chande, Hina Solaki, Valbir Mohan Bhalla, Rakesh Chauhan, Kailash Malhotra, Balbir Dhillon and Kuldeep Singh Dhillon among others. The list has been released by the UK government. Young people in China are quitting their high-paying jobs for blue-collar roles like waiters and cashiers for mindless, menial work and a better sense of satisfaction. According to Business Insider, they have been sharing pictures and videos on social media with the hashtag #MyFirstPhysicalWorkExperience. This trend has gained popularity in China despite record high youth unemployment rates. American chipmaker Micron Technology is close to an agreement to invest $1 billion to $2 billion towards setting up a semiconductor packaging factory in India, reports said. The deal is likely to be announced during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US next week. The development comes after Micron on Friday pledged to invest $600 million more in its Chinese plant. Following withdrawal of 2,000 rupees notes from May 23rd, cash with public as of June 2nd is down rupees 83,242 crore as compared with the cash with public as on May 19. Currency in circulation as on June 2nd and May 19 was 32.88 lakh crore rupees and 33.71 lakh crore respectively. Currency with RBI as on June 2nd was 14.03 lakh crore. And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu namit mangani gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Ako pamorol gidamak na simaglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda satrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission housere. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopo morol gidama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak kudong saba silowiu.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service. Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. Elon Musk on Friday said his brain chip startup Neuralink could carry out its first human trial later this year. The startup plans to implant a tetraplegic or paraplegic patient, Musk stated. Last month, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration gave clearance to the startup to conduct human clinical trials. Neuralink is reportedly facing probes over its handling of animal experiments. In the Indonesia Open Badminton Tournament, India's H.S. Pranoy will take on top Sikh Victor Axelsen of Denmark in men's singles semi-finals at Jakarta today, June 17. 7th seed Pranoy defeated Japan's Kodai Naroka 21-18, 21-16 in a quarter-final match yesterday. In men's double, the Indian pair of Sadhvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Sethi will face the South Korean unseeded pair of Kang Min-hyuk and Seo Jun-jae in the semi-finals. 7th seed Sadhvik Sairaj and Chirag defeated the world number 1 Indonesian combination of Muhammad Ryan Ardinato and Fazar Alfind by 21-13, 21-13 in a clash of the last 8 yesterday. For ELITETV News Channel, contact today email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at headlines once again. Cyclone Biparjoy weakened and enters Rajasthan after landfall in the Gujarat's coastal areas. Prime Minister Modi should save Manipur first, says Supriya Srinath. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.